We live in a changing world. Our concrete cities are no longer viable for the next generation. Our vision is to transform and reuse urban buildings, to start urban farming units within the kindergartens of our children.
We vision all these walls covered with greens, edible greens, and children reaching out and eating.
Children's health and welfare is a mirror of community welfare.
We vision all this happening inside the classrooms in urban buildings.
We vision aquaponic installations growing in these corners. We vision children preparing and sharing food. We vision a community of children, teachers and families learning together about how to care for nature and how to care for each other. Our project shares the values of permaculture for nature care, people's care and fair share, and the values of the new European Bauhaus.
The new European Bauhaus combines the big vision of the European Green Deal with tangible change on the ground.